Hi everyone, welcome to the Techno Galaxy. Thomas here, and today I will be discussing if NordVPN work with Netflix or not. We were getting a lot of inquiries from many of you asking about it, so I thought it was worth making a short video where we will test NordVPN with Netflix. So we are going to test Netflix for US and Canada in this video. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Now let's get started. Whether you're trying to access USA shows from abroad or just want to expand your streaming options, I'll show you exactly how NordVPN performs with Netflix, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Before we jump in, please make sure to check out the links in the description below where you'll find exclusive deals on NordVPN that'll save you a nice amount of money. These are the best prices available right now, so don't miss out. First, let's talk about NordVPN's Netflix capabilities. This service currently unblocks more than 18 different Netflix libraries worldwide, including the most popular ones like the US with its massive 5,900 titles, the UK with 5,800 shows and movies, and Canada leading the pack with over 6,000 titles. The best part, you're getting access to virtually all of Netflix's exclusive content across these regions, and what really sets NordVPN apart is their SmartPlay technology. This isn't just marketing jargon. It's a specialized feature that helps you bypass streaming blocks effortlessly. You can watch Netflix not just on your computer, but also on your smart TV or gaming console, making it perfect for family movie nights or binge-watching sessions with friends. Speed is crucial for streaming, and this is where NordVPN truly shines. They've developed their own protocol called NordLynx, which delivers exceptional streaming speeds. During our testing, we watched popular shows like Squid Game in 4K without any buffering issues. With over 7,200 servers across 18 locations, you're practically guaranteed to find a fast, reliable connection for Netflix streaming. Now let's talk about what happens if you run into any issues. While NordVPN is incredibly reliable with Netflix, streaming services are always trying to block VPN access. The good news is NordVPN has several solutions built right in. Their servers make your VPN traffic look like regular internet traffic, helping you bypass Netflix's VPN detection. Plus, you can opt for a dedicated IP address, which significantly reduces your chances of being blocked. Since you're not sharing the IP with other users, setting up NordVPN for Netflix is remarkably straightforward. You simply download the app, choose your desired country, connect to a server, and start streaming. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy even if you're new to VPNs. If you ever need help, their 24/7 customer support team is just a click away, typically responding within minutes. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of Netflix and access thousands of new shows and movies, now is the perfect time to get NordVPN. You can check the link in the video description below to get access to the best current offer. Remember, with their 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it completely risk-free. So now we've come to the end of this NordVPN Netflix guide. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on more tech content, and I will see you on our next video. Please take care and stay safe, everyone.